Well, your ass might as well be grass, and I might as well be the lawnmower. Ain't no way to stop the damage I'm about to do. Aren't you sick of treating her like trash when you're supposed to be the one who holds her? Well, you better look out, 'cause now I'm coming through. Well, you deserve to be run over for all the shit that you put her through. And you might think you can just push her over, but that ain't gonna happen while I'm standing between you. Get a clue, she can do so much better than you, and I'm about to show her. But as for me, I will be there anytime she needs a lawnmower. Well, I bet you feel like a big man, 'cause you always made her feel small. But I can think of one thing that is smaller, and it wasn't from your tiny hands. She never felt anything at all. At least that's what she tell me anytime I call her. Well, I guess you'll be alone for even longer, 'cause you deserve to be run over for all the shit that you put her through. And you might think you can just push her over, but that ain't gonna happen while I'm standing between you. Get a clue, she can do so much better than you, and I'm about to show her. But as for me, I will be there anytime she needs. What she needs is a man that'll hold her hand, not act like he don't give a damn. But it's too late now, 'cause it's already over. And next time you try to get away with treating someone else that way, well, there's a friend like me who's just right around the corner. When you deserve to be run over for all the shit that you put her through.